Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Instacart, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Instacart, www.instacart.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. You may need to enter your password on the next screen. Type your password carefully in the provided box. If you've forgotten your password, there is a Forgot Password link available. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Once your password is entered, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Instacart homepage. Here you'll have access to your account, grocery lists, and personal preferences. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. Remember, you can always reset your password if needed. That's how you log into Instacart quickly and easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.